Hello and welcome to another video. Previously we've discussed what we can do for you, what some frequent requests are, but today we're going to discuss what a private investigator cannot do for you. Reputable private investigators take legal and ethical values very seriously. It's what keeps us in business. So if you're looking to hire a private investigator in the UK, there may be a few things you want to keep in mind before making any assumptions. Number one, a private investigator cannot hack a computer. No, not that hack. This hack, to gain illegal access to a computer network or a system, etc. So if you want a private investigator to access someone's email box, system or network without their permission, unfortunately it's something that we cannot do. Number two, similar to what we've just discussed, a private investigator cannot hack a phone. A PI cannot legally access someone's phone without their permission. You only need to look at some of the newspaper scandals to see the repercussions of such actions. The same goes for listening in on calls. This is all a legal practice for a private investigator. Number three, a PI cannot place or plant cameras or listening devices on a private property without the person's permission. Now this is very different from public areas recording private areas, as long as the person doesn't have a reasonable expectation of privacy in the area they're in. It's good practice to stick to public access areas for this type of work. Number four, a private investigator cannot arrest someone. Now we all as citizens have powers of citizen's arrest, but we have no enhanced rights of arrest as private investigators. Private investigators don't act in the UK in the realm of law enforcement. We are only information brokers, and so this kind of citizen's arrest or any type of arrest will be outside of the scope of what private investigators do. Number five, a private investigator cannot commit a crime to get information. This ties back to all the other 4 points. You cannot violate any of the laws which everyone else is bound by to gain information as a private investigator. People in desperate need try to outsource their information needs to people like us in the hopes that we'll break the law to gain the information they need, and we simply cannot do it. Respectable and law-abiding PIs will cater to a client's needs as long as it's within the boundaries of the law. And that rounds up the top 5 things that private investigators in the UK cannot do for you. For more information on private investigator services, please see our website, give us a call, or email us. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you in the next one.